There are some lesser known sports cards trends that you may not know of, so let's go through them. What's going on, guys? Matt here, back again with another video. As you guys know, typically with sports cards, when people are investing or collecting in players, they typically like to collect their rookie cards and their parallels. But in today's video, I'm going to go through 4 non-rookie card trends that you should be on the lookout for. Rookie cards are typically the safest investment when it comes to investing in a player. So just keep in mind that there's a higher risk with these 4 trends. That's because these only go up if the rookie card of the player has gone up as well. So unless you're a collector, I would avoid these trends for your lesser known players and only go for them with your above average players. The first trend that you should be looking out for are second year cards. So second year cards are simply put, second year cards of a player. Typically these only see a rise if the rookie card's price is out of reach for the average collector. So make sure if you're investing in second year cards that you're only picking players that you think will go up, as they're typically the last card to go up and the first card to go down in price. Over the past season, the hobby's hottest players in Luka Doncic, Anthony Davis, LeBron James and Kawhi Leonard have at times had their second year cards blow up. Showing an example here from the hottest player of the 2019-20 NBA season, and that's Kawhi Leonard. So Kawhi was very hyped last season due to coming off a championship year and to the addition of Paul George. Both two-way players who can defend most positions. Using the Market Movers app and looking at price changes as a percentage, we can see the blue line is the rookie Prism card, and the purple line is the second year Prism card. At the start of June, the rookie card was $310 US, and the second year card was $24 US. And looking at the graph, the blue line or the rookie card goes through the price change first, followed by the second year card. Right after the Clippers were knocked out by the Nuggets, we see the second year card fall sharply, followed by the rookie card afterwards. Funnily enough, if you had $1,000 and invested in the same value of rookie and second year cards of Kawhi in June, you would have actually made more money on the second year cards as it had a higher price change percentage wise. But keeping this in mind, if you weren't quick to sell, you'd also lose it quicker. In saying this trend, some of the players I do like currently for second year Prism cards are Jason Tatum and Donovan Mitchell. Numbered preferably, followed by parallels and then base. The next trend that we're going to be speaking about is first year team cards. Collectors see these cards as rookie card investments as they're the first card of a player when they move to a new team. Again, these will only go up if a player themselves are trending largely. Last season we saw this with Kawhi's first Clippers card, as well as Anthony Davis's first Lakers card. One of the hottest cards last season was LeBron James's 2019-20 Prism card, which was his second Lakers card, but his first in the Lakers uniform. Looking at the graph of the raw card at the conclusion of the 2019-20 season, we can see a sharp increase as well as a gradual decline. If you bought in at the high point of $91 US, you would have lost 92% of your investment, as these currently go for $8 US. The decline actually occurred around the same time the market had a correction, so we can attribute some of the decline thanks to that. Wouldn't be holding these cards long term, but just a trend to keep in mind if a player starts to trend up. The third trend that we're going to highlight is first year set cards. First year set cards are essentially the first year of a set release. This trend seems more stable and holds up better long term, provided the set is in demand. The big 3 sets are Prism, Optic and Select, and respectively the first years for those are 2012-13, 2016-17 and 2012-13. The most popular of these 3 sets is the 2012-13 Prism set. This basically took off for Panini because Topps lost the license to print Topps Chrome in 2012. So this set for collectors essentially became the new Topps Chrome. Combine that with an NBA lockout allowing for 2 draft classes to be printed in the one set, and you have the most iconic set after the 1986-87 Fleer set. With a low population and being the most in-demand set in sports, the Prism 2012-13 set is quite safe when it comes to superstars and rookies. First year Select and Optic hold a little bit more risk as they're not in demand as Prism, so just keep that in mind. The last trend that we're going to be speaking about today is aesthetic or iconic cards. This trend is a little bit more broad as I've decided to combine a few more sub-trends in this. The first one that I've included is team colored cards. Team colored cards is when the color parallel of the card matches the team color of the player on the card. I'll give you some examples here. The first one is the Shai Gilgeous-Alexander to 199 Prism, which matches the blue jersey. The second one is Jason Tatum's The Rookies Optic number to 175, which matches the green Celtic colors. Really beautiful cards, and at times have sold at a premium compared to lesser short printed cards. The second sub-trend is cards with iconic pictures, and I'll use an easy one here with Kobe. The first example is the 2008-09 Topps Chrome Kobe Bryant card, which features a picture of Kobe Bryant backing down LeBron James. This card currently goes for $400 US, which I think is quite crazy, considering it's not a first year release of Topps Chrome, or it's not LeBron or Kobe's rookie card. Another example is the 2016-17 Optic card of LeBron James, which features Kobe Bryant trailing in the background, and this currently goes for $85 US. And lastly, Kobe Bryant's 2012-13 Crusade card, which people find iconic because of the angel wings in the background of the card. This card currently goes for $250 US, which is quite crazy, again, considering it's not Kobe's rookie card. Those are my 4 trends for today's video, guys. Let me know down below if you like any of these trends. Also, let me know down below if I've missed any trends that you like. As always, guys, I appreciate all the support you guys are giving me. Give us a like and hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't already. And I'll see you guys in future videos. Take care.